Let me share some of my Google Sheet budgeting tools or personal or family expense tools, and especially this is 2026, a new year. So many people are trying to prepare their own Google Sheet or expense tracker. So you can easily grab one of these items. So first of all, this one is it's a pretty like minimum design, but uh, full of, I mean, it's a complete configuration. So a user can configuration setup here, then a transaction tab. This is actually the main item. So you can select category, and based on that selection it will show, I mean, change a dynamic subcategory. Okay, so if you select fixed item only, so the fixed item in subcategory. If you select variable, then you can see list of variable item like that. Okay, so I'm just showing these are just a demo, but it's one of them. And this is kind of summary, income summary, yearly income summary. This is yearly complete summary, not only income expense and everything here. And there is another yearly summary, which this one, it's probably year by year. So this tool's actually not for 2026 only, it's a continuous process. So user can select year anytime, like if user want to 2025, you can see. Okay, transaction will not change, but report will change automatically. Okay, so in these tools, transaction is the source of truth, and this is the configuration, and everything else is kind of report, like report in dashboard. This dashboard will summary, dashboard also summary, but it just selected summary. And we have couple of chart here, but it is not showing right now unless we have data. Okay, so that's it. Then let me show you another one. This is, I'm showing recent tools. This is also is minimum design and minimum functionalities, but very cool things, I mean. Okay, so this one also like status. Okay, okay, so then we have another one. This is also for personal finance and budget. Name is not uh, always, I mean, reflect that function, because this is how sometimes clients are trying, I mean, wants things like that. Okay, this one also similarly, this is the source of truth, I mean, this information source or data source. And almost same thing with different design. Then another one, this one maybe, okay, sorry. And this one actually, I'm sorry, not finished. I show you this one already. This one also. Okay, so this is another one. Okay, so like this one actually display, I mean, dashboard by month, not by year. So it show everything for a specific month in dashboard. Otherwise almost same, but in this case we have separate tab for income, expense savings, etc. And this is another one, like summary. You can, you have everything in a separate tab, that is for month by month data, and a summary here. So it also has what I can say, a lot of certain things, but that is not showing right now. Okay, so and this one, this dashboard will show in different way, like last month, current month, even the last month of last 12, even, and the year also. Okay, so that's it. And let me know how you want things, but because we can make things uh, possible anyway, how you want. Just only we need to a clear idea, or if you are confused, you can just grab one of these or ask me your situation, and we can figure it out. Okay, so that's it. Let me know how you want things to do. Okay, thank you.